Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Mr. Luger along with Mr. Baker. We're going to be looking at this piecewise function again on desmos. What I want to do is I want to show you something real quick. It's going to be a really elementary picture, but at least to show you that you can draw pictures on desmos. Hopefully you can use this as a skeleton to give you guys an idea, because this is due when you guys come back from Thanksgiving break. So I'm going to end up putting 6 functions on here, so let's just get right started. We'll do y equals, I'm going to do negative 1 divided by 20, and then I'm going to do x squared because I want to do a quadratic equation, and then I want to bring it up a little bit, so I'm going to say plus 6 just like we did for our transformations. So as you can tell, here's our quadratic function. Now I'm going to go ahead and say I'm going to use the restriction of negative 11 is less than x is less than positive 11. So now you can see that I've got an actual, what looks like a potential mountainside starting. As I said, this will be very elementary. Hopefully you guys can get a little bit more inventive than me. Next one is y equals 0. And we're going to do the same kind of idea where we're going to restrict it from negative 11 is less than x is less than positive 11. Okay? And so once again, now you can see that there's a green line from here to here. It matches this green color. I don't know if we can actually come over here and I don't know.
If you go to these settings, the little gearbox,
okay,
you can change the colors. So guys, for those of you guys that are, this is Mr. Baker. If you go to the little gearbox up there, you can change the colors by going on the left side where that little green part is. Now you can change the colors from here to any one of those colors that you want. Usually there's a select few that'll come up. As you create more functions, that color can change. It's a little hard to see on this picture, but you can see now towards where the 0 is that color is now red. So you can go ahead and continue, Mr.
All right. Next one we'll do is x equals 5. I want to do a vertical line. Okay. I'm going to put in a restriction from 0. This time I'm going to use y. Because once again we're talking about a vertical line, so we need to talk about the restriction as y as it pertains to y. So there's my vertical line, and it starts at 0, stops at 4. Next one we go to is going to be x equals 2, and we'll have a similar restriction where we go from 0 to 4. 0 is less than, y is less than 4. Okay, so now we have 2 lines here. We'll complete that with a y equals 4. Whoops, wrong restriction, or wrong bracket. It will go from 2 is less than x is less than 5. And now we can see that we have just made ourselves a wonderful rectangle. Now we finish it off with another slightly different graph, or we'll say, or a slightly different thing where we'll go negative. Open it up, say 1 divided by 1.5. You could have also done an actual improper fraction for this. Either way, it doesn't really matter. And this time I'm going to do an absolute value function where I do x minus 3.5. And then I will come outside of my absolute value and I will say plus 5. And then I will go from 2 is less than x is less than 5, and once again here we go. We have the makings of a horizon or a backdrop, mountaintop, and now we have a very, very simple drawing, but one that looks similar to a lot of your old antiquated home. So we have the startings of a house, and you can go from there with what you want to do. Here's just an idea of how to make a picture. Best of luck to you guys. We'll see you on December 2nd. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.